In March 2020, Thailand witnessed an unexpected invasion. Hundreds of monkeys poured into the streets, forming aggressive gangs and battling each other over scraps of food as tourism came to a halt. In one unsettling moment, a woman relaxing in a hammock with her child had no idea that an uninvited guest had quietly slipped through her open door. Meanwhile, in Florida, alligators are a common sight, but the sheer size of this particular one left bystanders in stunned silence.
Hey,
2022 brought chaos when a leopard escaped from a wildlife reserve. It didn't take long for the situation to spiral into a wild encounter. In Colombia, a small shop found itself in the direct path of some runaway cows. The chaos they left behind was unreal. Not a single item remained on the shelves, and the bovine intruders showed no intention of leaving anytime soon. Back in 2018, as forest fires raged through Oregon, animals fled in all directions. Lauren Taylor set up a water fountain near her home to help, only to discover a mountain lion curled up behind her couch, fast asleep. A peaceful drive through the California woods took a wild turn when a curious bear attempted to open a car door with its teeth.
没东西给它吃。哇！快！走！
In South Africa, Homeownership comes with its own challenges. Without a tall fence, you might just come face to face with a wild animal stepping into your yard. In the icy north, a family of polar bears decided to pay someone's home a visit, drawn in by sheer curiosity. Meanwhile, in Montana, a cougar and her cubs kept returning to the same house, as if they were considering moving in, one cautious step closer each day. In Uruguay's port city of Punta del Este, sea lions usually stick to the docks. But one bold sea lion named Roberto decided to sprawl out on a parked car for a well-earned nap.